Welcome back to Neelam Cooks, and this is Neelam. Today I bring you another version of wheat roti or tortilla. It's a great substitute for naan and is a healthy low calorie parantha. You can eat this roti as a wrap or with vegetables or with lentils. So let's make wheat tortilla. As always, we need kneaded dough, rolling board, rolling pin, dry flour, oil, any oil, but I am using mustard oil, and a little bit of salt. I have already put up a video how to knead the dough. The link is in the description box. I have already cut the dough into small balls, so I will take one ball. The next step is to flatten the ball into a roti. So I will put a little bit of dry flour so it does not stick to the rolling board, and then use the rolling pin to flatten it. So this is a small roti, and now I will add a little bit of oil and spread the oil all over the small roti, and then fold like this, and the other part on the top, and little bit of oil again. Spread the oil and roll the tortilla like this. So now it's ready, and now I'm going to flatten it again with the rolling pin. If it sticks to the rolling board, you can put little bit of more dry flour. And make it little bit larger. You have to make sure that it stays into a square shape, not in a round one. So now the roti is ready to be cooked. And now this one I am going to make by adding the salt to the roti. So I will flatten it again and then add the salt. And again I am adding a little bit of oil, spreading the oil all over the roti, and then going to sprinkle a little bit of salt, and again roll the same way by adding salt and little bit of oil, and fold it again, and again I am going to flatten the roti. So now we are in the kitchen to cook the roti, and I have smeared the tawa or hot plate with little bit of oil, and then rub the oil with the paper. Now I take one of the rotis and place it on the hot tawa. The roti has changed the color, so I will flip it over so the other side is cooked too. One thing I need to add is that when you are cooking roti, you make sure that the other side is cooked more than this side. Like here you see this is cooked more. You see the brown spots here? And now I will put the roti back on the tawa and flip it over again. And wait for a few seconds. So now the roti is puffed up, so it's ready to be, it's ready. And now I am removing it from the tawa and put a little bit of any oil, so it's little bit more healthy and easy to eat. In the same way, I'm going to cook these two rotis too. The wheat tortillas are ready now. Earlier I have shown you how to eat with the vegetables, but today I'm going to make into a wrap. To make the wrap, we need sliced cucumbers, few leaves of basil, sliced tomato and green chili, but this is optional, and we also need cream cheese, and you can add more veggies if you want to. Next, I will take salted tortilla and spread the cream cheese on it. I spread the cream cheese on the salted tortilla, and now I will add the veggies as much as you want to eat. Few leaves of basil and then a few slices of tomato, and since I like spicy food, so I will add little bit of green chili too. And now we are going to wrap it and then eat it like that. The tortilla wrap is ready now. It's a great substitute for breakfast, or you can eat it as a snack too. So this was my recipe for low calorie healthy paranthas. I hope you like it. See you next time with my another video. Till then, happy cooking!